Aneze, good morning, good afternoon, all over the whole world, in the scholars in Nigeria. Ebuka obi challenge all the whole pastors and reverend fathers that is a virgin. I'm here to debunk that Ebuka obi is not a virgin. Ebuka obi, we must test your Ike. I can taste Ike and say, are you sure you're not a homo? People have been saying that. Number one, I'm here to challenge Ebuka obi to come and prove to us that's not homo. You're still virgin in your house. And I'm here to tell you, no pastor in Nigeria in the world can tell me that it's not homo. I'm here to tell you, I am the only prophet that is not homo in the whole Nigeria. Two, Ebuka obi, he said if anybody has sleeping with a woman. Ebuka obi, 2 years ago, I told, there's a video I made, guys ago, who is that woman you're romancing? Ebuka obi, they showed me. You already have children, 2 children in the marine world. Because what you're worshiping is Queen of Heaven, Satan, Satanic worship. I've been saying it not today. Now, I have taken your challenge under 2 conditions. Don't say I'm envying you. Let the world see it now. Nobody's envying you. And Nmbaka is not your problem. Ebuka obi, you're the one that invited your problem. Nobody is. Nmbaka is not. Stop calling Nmbaka or any clergyman. Now me, they do you. Ebuka obi, I am the one that is doing you spiritual warlord. I told you, you will hear from me. Share this telecast. Tell Ebuka obi, you're an idiot, you're a fool. Come out. Let us do it, man on man. Come out on the street. Let us perform that miracle. Want to prove to the whole world. When I walk or challenge all the whole pastor, all of you line away. And you're the one that take the challenge. I defeated Aqua. And you came to claim you're the one that did the battle. Time has come. Now, you don't have any gift. What you have is grace from Nmbaka and the battle I fight. Okay? But let me pray this video. I will not come. I will say, Ebuka obi, we must test your Ike, your ass, if you're not a homosexual. Take the challenge. You have been making noise for your virgin. You're not a virgin. I say you are a homosexual. Come and prove to us you're not a homosexual. Come and prove it. I'll prove to you I'm not a homosexual. And I'll prove to you that I have never slept with any married woman since I was born. I slept on the lock for 5 years. I have killed more than 300,000 wishes. And I'm here to debunk you that Ebuka obi, you're worshiping Satan. Mary is Satan. You're worshiping Queen of Heaven. So let us also talk about all of them. We must prove it. We'll go to Israel. We'll bring people that have this Bible. Let us tell us who Mary is. Whether it's to pray to Mary or to pray to Yahweh. Who to be prayed to. Because they cannot just worshiping Satan in an all court. Now shout. No, we are here to, I told you, I will bring you down to nothing. He hacked my page. Anak Krogaka. He went to pay JPAC. James Agobora, pay bloggers, and they came, they label me evil. They call me all sort of name. They are clapping for you. Ebuka obi, I vow to you, I say, I will crush you. With that billion they give to you, I will prove it to you. I have 1.16 million angels. Where's your traitors? All of them should come out. Let Nigeria government get involved. We must do that miracle on the Ochodi. Ebuka obi, more than 50 people that come to your church, he could not deliver that they came to me. I hear them, I have evidence. Many of them is in my page, hack, but I can still trace 1 or 2 videos. But Ebuka obi, show me one person that come to David Yahweh that I do prayer for, that didn't work, that he deliver. I can show you people that came to your church, Zion of Satan, that from America, from UK, from Nigeria, that come to your church and waste their money and go back without solution. But show me, Ebuka obi cannot be able to give me one person that say come to meet me or join my partner that didn't receive healing. Ebuka obi say water. I don't say water. Ebuka obi say oil. I don't say oil. Ebuka obi say hotel. I don't say hotel. Ebuka obi say hospital. I don't say hospital. Ebuka obi say your sticker. I don't say my sticker. Ebuka obi have many millions of people that serve you. I don't have anybody serving me. Who will pay more price? Who is paying more price? Idiot. God punish you there. Which price do you pay? All your families are there supporting you. You want to come and say, challenge a man that started to stood the role at 4 kingdoms. Do you know what they call holiness? Do you want me to show you the environment where I am? Do you know why I started doing prayer online? Because of something like this. At least you're seeing women touching them. I know they even see women to touch. You're seeing women coming to you. I don't see anybody to touch. Because I restricted people. 2018, something happened. There's a girl that died. They killed by witchcraft, their family, from Obinku family. I will show you some videos now. So you think we'll just come out online and begin to make noise. If I tell you Ebuka obi is fake, it's fake. I'll prove it. Let him put a date for the challenge. Thank God Nigerians are watching. This one is not a threat now. It's not a jealous now. Nigerians this challenge, you must take it. Ebuka obi must heal 50 people in Oshodi market. He must heal 50 people in Onisha Opi Worker. We have to do all those tests. Let us know who is doing arrange. Before I came out to begin to heal people, I heal people in Oshodi. I heal people in Manderas. I hear people in Araba International. I hear people in Trade Fair. I hear people in Onitsha. I hear people in Enugu. I hear people in Abuja. I hear people in the Nigeria, the whole street. So Ebuka obi must, if you don't have juju in that your church, if you don't believe in that your useless Mary, come out outside and do like Jesus Christ. You're not a virgin. A man that is also sleeping with Nyach is a homo. So let us test it. Let us go to hospital. They will test me and test you. Then after that, they will confirm whether we are virgin. They will not come out for hearing. So you have been making so much noise. Tell us why people will come to your church. You manipulated them. Some sow seed of 10 million. Some sow seed of 50 million. Some sow seed of 6 million. So after I say, you know, they collect money, you're a thief. You say, oh yeah. Bible said that shall not make a house of God, a place of merchandise, a thief. You're a thief. By selling oil. We ran those things from TB Dosha. I used to sell water, but I stopped it when I started. When I know that Sunday worship is sun God worship. We ran all those things. That Jeremiah ran it from TB Dosha. You the give prophets. Are you a prophet? I told you, I will bring you to nothing. What is your all those your gangsters? Remember that 2023, I told you. First of all, dismantle you with Nmbaka. They confirm him. After Nmbaka, I dismantle you with J-Pack and the Sagabora. Now, man on man. Oh, yeah, I won't pay a shot on Abba. You know, confirm where you go to play the show. On Abba, no, if you want, Ebuka obi boss on neg. You must take this challenge. I am here to prove to you, to the world, I am the most powerful prophet in the world, and they can have never paid the price of what I paid. A man who slept on the lock for 5 years. Snake enter my body and catch fire. Do you know how many demons I've killed? A man who shut down all the occultists and occultists in Anambra State. And he claim he have power. He went to Ngobora, carry how many escorts, carry armored tanker. How many escorts you see that followed me? You're just a baby noise maker. But God already showed me. See this your Zion set out, it will disappear. 5 years I gave you, it will disappear. All those money you're investing, all of them are useless. Because it's occultic and marine kingdom, and you are useless. So I want to provoke you so you can take the challenge. Where is Jess Agabora? Let him come and make video now. Where is J-Pack? Let him come and make video. Where is Joa? Where is all those bloggers you're paying? You pay people to go and hack my page. You rebel me evil. They are clapping for you. Ebuka obi, I promise you, he can attack fufu. All of you that in Zion that did that thing, all of you will suffer. I told you, life or death. I am the spiritual warlord. See it. I'm here to tell you that Nmbaka is innocent. I'm here to tell you not to talk about any reverend father or anybody. Before he fought me, nobody talk about you until he challenged me. So I'm here to tell you, if you have power, Ebuka, come. I will crush you, physical and spiritual. I am the spiritual warlord. Try me. Dare me. This is just the beginning. I warned you. I warned you. Look at me, call me fake. Sabbath and the Roman Catholic who are fake. Worshipping Yahweh and worshipping Mary, who is fake. Who is keeping covenant of the Most High Yahweh, and somebody who does not obey God, who is fake. God punish you. You're answering Zion. You want to hijack the holy place. This is the holy Zion. Zion city of David Yahweh synagogue. Do you know Jerusalem? I will prove it to you. The same way I'll prove it at Walker. I will prove it to you. This is just the beginning. He will cry tire. Nobody jealousy you. You manipulated people. You deceived people. You just come on to rise. Use Nmbaka, use me and everybody. He can run us down and rise. He will crash you down to nothing. because you're nothing, nobody. If you're somebody, we go down to hear your name. Remember, they started hearing you 2022. After I fought many kingdoms, I told Nmbaka they will shut his church down. They shut Nmbaka church down. You begin to reign. Tell me when Ebuka obi begin to reign. If it's not the truth, is it not 2022 Ebuka obi? Tell me when he begin to reign. I will tell you the history of Ebuka, how he started reigning. I am the one that did it. Because Nmbaka church was shut down. All the people, Nmbaka followers, started following Ebuka. People want to see me after I conquer Akwa. They don't see me to follow me. I did not allow anybody to see me. They think Ebuka obi was serving God. When he now say, bring Okite, they thought we are the same thing. They don't know that we're not the same thing. Me and Ebuka obi don't want to see the same God. Ebuka obi worship Queen of Heaven, snake goddess, which he already have children in the water. If he says a lie, take challenge. He must take healing challenge. You give 50 people. You give all 50 people. Don't be only, I'm a virgin, I'm a this. No! God furnish you a virgin there, not a virgin. Let us go and test your nyash. Come on, Ibu virgin. You must take the challenge. You go to. Thank God, all your boys don't know, say, I am more than that jealous. You are all those your boys that come in. On your try, I will send you to every grave. This is between me and Ebuka. If you know the Yahweh, put your head. I will send you to any grave. Go and ask James Agobora and Jepak. When you people are there calling me and they say, I went to college Juju for native doctor. I went to Gabon. You people are talking it. Telling the whole world, I'm a fake. You're happy. You're growing your church. You use me to promote your church. I will help you to crash down your church. The same way you hack my page, God will make sure your ministry is closed. Mark it down. You will close to nothing. 5 years. I gave you. Share the telecast. Tag him. Nmbaka have nothing to do with you. Reverend fathers have nothing to do with you. Who is doing you is David Yahweh, my angels. I have 1 point. You see, if the three person when they fight you, they go to fight another person. Are you not a coward? Is it today I'm telling you? Who is that woman that you're once Ebuka obi? You're romancing Queen of Heaven in the name of Mary. We know your strategy. Share the telecast. I'm waiting for you and giving you 7 days to pick a date. All the challenge I gave you. Remember the one I challenged you 50 million. If you can prove to us that Mary is not set up, also. Remember that I told them, because if you go to Israel and read separate, I will burn my Bible. You could not do that. So this one is almost like 5 challenge now. But this one will be the last challenge. If you don't take this one, you're a fake. So you must take it. You will hear 50 people in Lagos, 50 people in East. Not in your church. On the street. Have escort. Bring your, you go come with your escort. I don't come with anybody. I'll come only with my Bible. We'll hear people. To confirm whether, because all those things Matthias is saying, you need to prove it to them. We need to prove it to them. Don't come here using police, using media team. Who does that? Have you heard about use police for people? No. Have you heard about Redeem using media team? No. Have you heard about this our brother David Oboye, Domino City, using media team to arrest people? No. Have you heard about Pastor Chris using media team to arrest people? No. Have you heard about Kumoye or name them or Rochusing? What make your own church special? If you're not evil, if you're not a drug dealer, if you're not 419, you won't be using media team. He jealous in the prison for your RNG. Why is he jealous in prison? He brought somebody who did RNG and they are challenging you. You people are threatening to kill me. Your boys are threatening to arrest me. They will kill me. They will, you do know the court call they call me. Matthias is the evidence. You went there to shoot Matthias gun because of what they are exposing you. That one is evidence. If you don't, even if you deny all of them, that one went to Abuja. If you know because of Samanepa. Matthias Ezak will be inside prison now. All of us fought that thing. That's why he didn't enter prison. If you think you're smart, you're a fool. Where you think you know, other people started knowing more than you. Okay, Nmbaka is doing you. Why did they shoot Matthias? Why? Because I went to shoot God in Matthias' place. You're Jesus Christ. Are you from Israel? Are you a Jew? Do you keep Sabbath? They fight for Jesus. Jesus say, if you love me, keep my father's commandment. Mary never a Christian. They are all Jews. So all of you are failure. You're a failure. All of you doing Sunday worship are a failure. If you don't know it. Where I stand, even you Nmbaka cannot stand there. Where you are talking about, we want to talk about spirituality now. Thinking, yeah, I get pride, guys, which pride you get? What you get is marine kingdom. 80% of the gain is in your church. They are all hook up. Show me one person that is holding in your church. Are they not Achawo girls? Looking for men that will scam. Most of the men that come there, they are scammers. We know them. Many of people, if we deliver them, when we tell them, they will go there because that's where they will go hide. They will say, looking for who they will scam. We know all of them now. Most of all those bloggers, they call me to join with. I said no. People like Ijua, and people like Ezugo, they call me to do pro. I said no, they went to join Zion. JPAC is people that are conquered with Akwa with his governor Zoku. These are people that promoted Akwa. I am the one that dismantled them from Akwa. They enter Zion and sign them. It does not show you're a fool. How did you become a Christian? Blind man claiming to be a prophet. Dirty prophet that doesn't have rules and regulation. Well, a prophet is holy. Somebody that is doing 419 will come and join you. Somebody that is doing broke, come and join you. People that are doing all sorts of nonsense. He come and join you. They fight church. We are not a born again. Then what are they doing inside church? Because they are not a born again. When we talk, he say you call police, you call gangster, you go shoot gun. Because government, but this time is the time that will get you here. Very soon, government will arrest you. You will confirm. No, keep on ranting. A little girl that come to do testimony, even if you think it's not real, because of your pride, they went to arrest the girl. That is what you will be doing to people. Oh God, we are waiting for you people. God punish you. Kenneth, God punish you and you Ebuka obi. Ebuka obi must say Ebuka obi is homo. Ebuka obi is not a virgin. On a why? Let him come out and prove it. It's a challenge. So get away from here. Kenneth, get away. He says it's a challenge. The challenge is not the pastor. I like it. I like challenge now. I walk a challenge. Nobody come out and me take the challenge. That man that enter water, so nobody enter water. Everybody Ebuka obi alone and me enter water. So Ebuka obi don't challenge. Who don't sleep with somebody's wife? People will go drink. They go to hospital, go test our anus. Because some men, they fall for yacht. So we go test everything to know who be virgin. It can be virgin from your amo, but you're not virgin from your yash. All the virgin, we must check it. Come on, go and sit down. A sinner will be always shouting to look like he's this thing. Criminal. Where you catch a criminal, you will first of all calling other people criminal. Do you know God? Do you know God? We rejected those things. Billions, we rejected it. Before I see we could be receiving billion, at least I heard me saying it. Let me pray this thing.
Any man of God writing about this is just jealousy.
Wait, any man of God, he did not say any man of God talking about it is not jealous. I'm here to prove that I'm not jealous. I'm already telling you so you will not deceive my people, put them into a court taking. That's why we are fighting. We are not
famous than you.
Who are you famous than? What to make you famous? What to make you famous? They're going to be famous.
Man of God, right?
You they talk famous. You know what to be famous? You know what to be famous? You they talk famous where we dey. Famous. Somebody who don't produce people like Genevieve, Dr. Mighty. Who you don't make? You use people to cram and they carry artists, comedians, put in your church grow like a They say be famous. Who made you famous? What to make you famous is what you created. Is the music artist that we made and the music film that we make used to grow. Show me pastor where don't grow where they invite Nollywood actors and actresses. Don Supremo, Nollywood inspiration. We go bring you to where you belong. You must take this challenge. People have been rumored that you're a homo, so we test that homo whether you're real or not. Then we'll go to this hospital in Lekki, pick a date. Let us go there and check it. We'll check all those things. Let us know who is a real prophet and fake prophet. Let us be, I am a virgin, I am a virgin, I am a virgin. Who knows you're a virgin? A witchcraft will tell you that it's not a witchcraft and why you killing other people. We know those things. Occultic man will be killing me, their brothers. Come and they carry cross and put inside it. They can even buy the Holy Sacrament and put in their house. God punish you. Ebuka obi says challenge. I'm here to take the challenge. I am the only prophet who have fought war. You know, open heaven can be open heaven to Queen of Heaven. That miracle you're receiving is not from third heaven, from Queen of Heaven. Okay? Now, thank God this is challenge. So media thing, get away. We have won without either thing. So this is license for me to pay Azuna. But I'm here to say I have never slept in my anus before. Man or woman. If it's not okay, that's not homo. You have to prove. We'll give you this house in Lagos. Any married woman will say I sleep with you, come out with the proof. We'll give you this house in Lagos. That's why my ministry, I don't allow people to see me because of things like this. I am not chasing crowd. I have millions of people all over the whole world. A man who has stood on telecast. Heal thousands of people, HIV, cancer, different kind of sickness. This is not the say, go call them. Many people that went to the Ebuka obi Zion church, they came to me, I delivered them. Show me one person that come from me, my ministry, that didn't save their problem that come to you. You must prove all those things. We'll prove it, we'll bring the videos. We'll give you by evidence. Nmbaka Zion now, with no solution that come. They show us people that come. So it's very, very transparent. I like this challenge. Oh, wonderful. Ebuka obi, thank you. Thank you for this challenge. Okay? This is what we are looking for. Kamarizie, who is real man of God. Then you have challenged a bit. I have taken it, but my own challenge is say you go heal people in Osho the market and the OP worker. This is the two challenge I'm challenging you. You challenge Onyebu virgin. I'm here to say I am a virgin in my ass, which I know you're not. So we test all those things. Now I'll challenge you as Ebuka. You show us you must do healing, deliver people. In what? In Osho the market. You go to Anambra State and deliver people. This is all the media team must be involved. We'll get BBC, we'll get all the media team, they get involved. So pick a day, Ebuka obi. We'll do it. I'm here to prove to you that you don't know God. What you watch it is Satan. Let me pray this video. At least I have finished with Anambra people. Let me continue. Wait, he said that are jealous. Nobody is jealous of you.
I am more famous than you. I have more gifts than you. You are jealous, and that is the simple truth. I came out and said, if I have ever charged anybody money before, let the person come out. If I have ever slept with a man or a woman, let the person come out. Before you can come on social media to talk about me, come out and say a thing like that, so that your girlfriend will come out tomorrow.
Okay, we are here to take this challenge. I'm here to tell you I've never slept with somebody's wife before. So let the woman come out. I'm here to prove that I'm not a homosexual. But to you people that say you're homosexual. So we test this thing. And I'm here to say I've never done arranging before. But we know you're a master of arranging. If you're not arranging, take this challenge. We must do healing. In Lagos State, Oshodi. You must do healing. In Anambra State, 50 people, 100. People that have spiritual sickness. Cancer, name them, HIV, tumor, hernia, where all those sickness, HIV, all those kind of sickness. 50, they then bring 100 people for us. 50 people in Lagos, 50 people in Anambra State. He's a liar. I know. This is how he used to manipulate people. Hey, come on, guys, sit down. Because we have not seen power. Yeah, spiritual world. Power. The world, you know what this thing means. I'll receive it from Angel Michael. I am the in charge. If you fight battle, I fight, you will die, Ebuka. They have not fought any battle. We have never seen you fight any battle. Remember that I told you hear from me. My body with me clear. I know the hiders. Stop calling Nmbaka name. You want to hack my page so your ministry can sell. Thank God, crap yourself. As you're selling, I will help you to close it down. You go confirm them. So next time, if you hear Sabbath, you go run for your life. If you hear David Yahweh, you go and ask questions. Go to my family and ask them. You think we started battle from outside? We have conquered the demons inside the house before we come out. We conquered the 3 demons in our house before we came out. We did not come out to make noise. When I walk or came out, I challenged all the whole pastor. Everybody ran away. Everybody was afraid. I thought the battle finished because the idiot, criminal, want to come and take the glory. Nmbaka is not your spiritual father. Nmbaka that he uses his glory, said he uses item to bro. Is it not Nmbaka format to use? Okuchanhanta, your answer is it not Nmbaka own? Thief. Yeah. Hey, if I charge money, you are selling water. Is it not charging of money? Are you supposed to sell water? Give them free. Now the church is contributor. You're selling oil. Are you not taking money from them? I hear say your cheapest to hotel now 50,000. No, be your member bid. Why they collect money for the hotel? Ebuka obi they ask for seed. Ebuka obi they say so I waited seed. We have all those videos. Now they come and tell us if we charge money. Now we don't do church. We don't ask people to come. People will stay their praise. We save their problem. Now Ebuka obi people came from America. I have a lady I prayed for. I just delivered that woman. He came from America. I spent 100 days fasting and prayer. All his money finished. Almost sacked her from the work. The woman have sickness. He carried it go back. He went to join partner. I'm here. Settle the person that didn't see me in America, who is more powerful. Somebody that came to your church and spent 1 month, hey, 3 months, and go back the same thing. And somebody can go back and now join common partner. When no rich, only food we eat. You know how much we flight ticket from America to Nigeria? You know how much we flight ticket from Canada to Nigeria? You know how much we flight ticket Almost 10 million, 7 million naira. People pay it and come. It call nonsense. It call nonsense. And tomorrow they say God na scam, na scam. All those way they hear say scam, scam, scam. Because of people that go to fake church is no solution. When they come online, if we talk, they call us we are fake. I am not part of your useless fake. You must prove it. You'll be doing RNG. I've never done RNG before. If you have proof, bring it. I've prayed for more than millions of people online. Ezana, are you not watching? I know you'll be following. I don't have people that will come and reply you people because I know they pay bloggers. Why would I pay bloggers? You cannot help God. You already paying bloggers. You pay median team. You have Zion warrior team. You have all the thing you have. You have police. You have army. You have one person. What is happening in that church? The church has a government politicians. Are you during an election? When you're in the media, go to the paradise, you see how they worship God. Go to mountain of fire, you see how they were peaceful. Who is coming there to shoot you gun? I say, Evil that men do, live with them. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. We have a boy that made VAR 6 million. The guys they are now buying Ogo. You know they collect money. That one where that deposit is what? It's different format. He said you're building project. They collected money from people. 10 billion, 3 billion, 2 billion. Is it not money? Return those money back if you don't collect money. If you don't charge the money, when they bring it there, go and give it to the poor. Ebuka obi, those money you collected from people, when they give you, say, go and give it to the poor. You're busy. You're doing program, tying people down. They'll come to church Monday, Tuesday, 3 months program. You know how much you make there? Every day they're giving offering. You think say you there wise. You they say water. You don't know how much you're making your water. People come and they see them. The time when they drive, they come from Alaba International. Go see people carry water. They carry two bottles of water. The same water where they go buy for their house, it breaks. We don't do those things finish. Because there's no need to deceive in Debo. Let them go to their house. You pray for them. It's the same thing. What's indifferent? What's indifferent? It's the same thing. Go and ask people that I pray for in America, Canada, different places. The same water, I use it in their house. It's the same thing. It's the word at work. It's not the water. When I want to do the miracle, I don't need water. I don't need anything. No spiritual work. I will perform the miracle. We'll confirm it. Reason why I do spiritual work because we are not around. Just to save, instead of wasting their money. Somebody that's supposed to waste 20 million. I just say bring 500,000. That's solve your problem. Is that money? Somebody that enter fright, come to your church and spend 10 million naira, sow seed, almost 10 million, 20 million, and go back with the same sickness. We'll have the evidence. Go and sit down. We have a man that have something in leg. He was in Zion for 3 months. You know if you see the man because you know go fit solve the problem. Let me still solve the problem. That's why people hack my page. We know they talk nyanya papa. I'm here to take the challenge. Ebuka obi, pick a date and pick a venue. Pick a date and pick a venue. Chukwa bawoko. Pick a date and pick a venue now. Chukwa bawoko, idiot. See this bell. This bell is more than Ebuka obi ministry. See it. This bell is senior Ebuka obi church. This bell is 15 years. You see it? 15 years. This bell is 15 years. This is the most powerful altar in the world. Altar that have 1.60 million angels. No other Zion. Every other Zion is counterfeit. Ebuka obi, if you don't pick up this challenge, you know you're a Zion of Satan. Because now we'll prove it. That my God of the Yahweh would finally disgrace you. This your church don't collapse. I don't see him. Now me do it. I told you before I do it. You know they call him Nmbaka name or Chukwa Baroko. No, they call him Nmbaka name or Reverend Father Chukwa Baroko. Now me do it. Bring that your angels. Bring that your demon. Bring that your power. Let us do it spiritual. Muna TV do channel go boss. Jeremiah muna choburu muna kwako na oburu obere Ebuka. Who know left and right? Can I go with prophet? Who made you then? Who ordained you prophet? I'm ordained prophet. Who made you ordained prophet? Are you ordained prophet? Do you know ordinances? Do you know covenant? Nah, born on I will not confuse them mad. This thing they told me a long time ago. If I want to say make I enter my Catholic, make I release 7 books of Moses. I rejected those things. Don't go and sit down. Mary, come down here, promise me billions. Accept the little girl from death. You thought I'm came here to joke? That you that writing those months say God will kill your family. You will understand what we're talking about. Do you know how many people have died under manipulation of Satan? You think it's all about again? Do you know what I've lost because of this? Do you know how many followers that I used to have? Me, if I doing program, I have like 20,000 followers. And none of them left. I don't care. I'm here to liberate my people from Marine Kingdom, Satanic Church of Ebuka obi, Zion of Satan. I'm here to liberate them. When I go confirm, this is just the beginning. And I cannot stop until the mission accomplished. The same way I did not stop for Anambra State. I told you this year. You hear from me. Didn't I say it last year? Didn't I close and the SK hit them and all those usually says in Anambra State? Didn't I close them down? The same way. Mark my word. My word never. I never fought war and lose. My four lost. I'm supposed to pray one song now. You know what I am. Oh, where is that song, sir? Okay. In case you don't know. So you're not going to do nonsense. Don't lie the one way if you go home. You lose your family. Be warned. I am not one of those bad prophets. You come out online, Ebuka will come out and match. No, your master have challenged. Now, 13 pick a date and venue. Is anybody that can challenge? I am the only prophet that is most powerful prophet that know God, that serves the true God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Ebuka obi pick it. That if he was Ebuka obi next, he was your mama, you must pick it. We want to prove it to you. This is 3 years now, since 2022. We have been digging this thing now. This is 2020. Let us end it now. So the world will know. Who is jealous of you? Who cares? You're a poor man. You're a poor man to start profit. You only deceive people and collect their money. Show us how you make your money. Let government come and print your statement. Those are people that give you money. Most of them are fraudsters. Most of them are 411. Most of them are drug dealers that give you money. Let the government come and print the account. Let us see how they make the money I give to you. And what here? In Abia China, you have money. You have crowd. They call. Who give you the money? Who give you the money? When you're still doing boy, I'm already a multi-millionaire. Dashing people cars. Go and ask question who I am. I'm Abdon Supremo, in case you don't know. So, we are not here to make noise. So, James Agubora was making noise. I said, if James Agubora can show me a movie that he has produced that can reach one of my cheapest movie, I will give him house in Lagos. Can you be able to prove it? You know, Ran. When that one came out the land, when James Agubora, I said if James Agubora bring one movie produce, we go meet Awilo Sharp that produced in 2000. God bless you. No, we must clear this thing because if you know the truth, we are fake. It's fake. Call it to other people. He said, if any man of God, I'm here to I tell you, you're not a virgin. If you're a virgin from your prick, you're not a virgin from Ike. So let us test it. People have been saying it. So let us go to hospital. We'll have your doctor. Call your doctor. I go to your doctor and check. They will come to my doctor and check. Let them test whether you're in Alanike. Every time I'm a virgin. A virgin what? It can be a virgin sleeping with demons. We know those things. Little girl at the river from demon. More than 70 demons. A little girl, 9 years. He was not a virgin. A virgin is not a criteria to have this thing. To succeed in ministry. Por nature, Donamis is not a virgin. The richest pastor in Nigeria is not a virgin. So virgin means nothing. Nmbaka was not. Nmbaka said we're supposed to be claim virgin, but no claim virgin are you. Your spiritual father where you deny because of money, because your Nmbaka don't understand. Say you know they do well again. If they run, you don't alone. Can't say you know your spiritual father. What do you call it? To go show whatever. God will punish you. When Ebuka obi they hack my page, what did you do? When they are on video every day, you with them, James Agubora, JJ Park, every day they call me one person. They call me, say I went to Gabon, I went to this one. They are calling me and just rubbish my ministry to promote your own. Okay, thought you will just do my own. You can't be enjoying. When I go, Ebuka, you go cry tire. You go cry tire. You never know where. Go and ask where I be. Me and you for this Nigeria. If I need about going, I gave we go Digalam from this Lagos. We go to Anigbo, we go Digalam. I get make sure the whole. See, let me tell you, you don't know who you meet to. Go and ask Pastry. Die hard, they be Yahweh. Okaramo. You never you go jam. You don't jam lock. Now money you get that your money. You go dismantle and those money go begin to finish. That time you go left alone. You will understand. The same way those your hard men are living. Those your money will stop coming. You will confirm. We go do them. Maybe that place. We go know who is a prophet. Because that's what you people did. But thank God. Everything I do it alone. What you do, you hack a page. Let me create my page. Let me manage my page. So, not paying no blogger, not paying nobody. God have trained me. So who is paying more price? You that have an army up and down, have people, have everybody work. What price are they paying? You sleep and wake up. You come out and talk. Okay. Sorry. I know you did them. I was thinking it's what is so Ebuka obi people. No, sorry, no verse. I never get time to read your comments. Sorry. I didn't read it because you know, in life, it's always good for things like this to happen. So we know it's who. This is the time to know a true prophet. Hey, power! Our December, no do go. Our December, no do go. Time has come. Who? Magazuma, who is a prophet. Yes. Time has come when the world will know all the evil that you're worshiping Satan. Time has come when they will stop worshiping in that Zion of Satan. They will come to the New Jerusalem. I am King David reincarnation. David fought war. See, without a war, he can't stand. God is God of war. I worship God of war, God of peace. The problem you are a Christian. You become a sheep. Bible says the represent of God is two things that represent God. Ego and the lion is what represent God. That's why this is year of Agone Chemba, Agone Chibo. This is the program that conquered all the occultic and occultism in Anambra State.